Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add video subtitle for YouTube before publish the video. Before starting our customer request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we upload video in YouTube and we are in video element and then you see add subtitle, reach a broader audience by adding subtitle to your video. So we are going to add it before publish the video. Now you see add button, so click on it. So we are going to add subtitle or caption. So now we are going to add subtitle or caption for this video and then you see select how you want to add caption. Now you see three options: upload file, type manually, auto sync. If you have long video then it's difficult to type manually. Now click on it. Now you see add caption plus more. So you can set minute, second, frame and then you can write here. So it is long process. So best option is to upload subtitle file format. So we are going to delete it and then you see three dot option. So we are going to upload file. So first we are going to convert our YouTube video file into subtitle format. Now open online tool or website. So we are using TurboScribe. If you want you can sign up for this website. So we are going to convert our YouTube video file into transcript and then we are going to download as subtitle in .srt format. Now you see transcribe file, so click on it. Now drag and drop, so click on it. So this is our file we selected. Now uploading. So our audio language for this video is English, already selected. And then you see transcription mode. Now you see cheetah, dolphin, whale. So we select whale, most accurate, and then you see more settings, so click on it. If you want you can enable it. Now video is uploading and then you see button transcribe, so click on it. And then you see duration 4 minutes 9 seconds, mode whale, status. Now done, status completed. Now you see three dots, so click on it and then you see export transcript, so again click on it. Now you see pop up and then you see export as SRT, export as VTT. So you can use both format for YouTube video subtitle, but we are going to export as SRT. Enable this option and then you see maximum word per segment. The maximum number of word per segment, a new segment will begin after this many word. So you can set 8, 10 according to requirement. So we select 8 and then you see advanced segmentation setting. Click on it and then you see maximum duration per segment 10, maximum character per segment 80 and then click on download. So this is our SRT file for YouTube video subtitle. So click on save. Now file saved, done, and then we are going to open it. Now file is open and this is our SRT format for YouTube video subtitle. So you can make changes according to your requirement. If you want you can edit this file. So we are going to remove it and then click on save. Now you see, so you can check this file and then save and then click on upload. So we save. Now back to YouTube Studio. Now you see three dot again option, so click on it. Now you see upload file, so again click on it. Now you see select subtitle file type, so SRT format with timing. Now you see time, duration, frame. If your file has no timing then select this, but we select this and then click on continue. So this is our file. Now select. Now you see edit file. So this is 8 per segment word. Now you see. So you can double check again here. If you want you can make some changes according to your requirement. Now you see. So we added subtitle for YouTube video before publish the video and then click on done. Now you see add subtitle English by you. So this is not YouTube auto generated subtitle. We added it and then click on next and then you can publish your video. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.